Hey guys, today I decided to dust off the little toothpick and give it a little draw. I might have found a new obstacle here. Let's go for a little rip. A little rip. Gefährlich, Blue. Gefährlich. I think you will be safe hand launching this. For everyone that didn't fly a toothpick yet, they are pretty fun. They have a lot of flight time. They are super light, silent, and fun. Pretty fun actually. And this one is exceptionally fast because it's running on 2S. Also I put it on 25 degrees. The little shakes you see are not from the quad but from the canopy, because I fairly loosely attached the antenna on it. I was thinking that this is a pretty cool gap, but oh, there's a branch. There is a branch fairy sitting right under the gap. Ah, damn it. I was thinking about doing a half matty there, but if the branch fairy is sitting there, that might not be a smart idea. Like if they ever do a sub 100 gram weight limit, this will be my main flyer. Like, look at it. It can freestyle no problem. Pretty fun to fly. And it only weighs like, I think 76 grams. Of course the branch fairy can take it out easily, but if I am aware of it and fly a little bit safe, then it should be fine. The thing with this one is that it has a super low hover point. Like, look at it. I'm hovering. I'm not even hovering. Oh, that was not hovering. Damn it. What I wanted to show is that it is hovering at like 14% throttle. Let's go. That dog, right? Yeah, the throttle is pretty touchy actually. You can do all the cool moves with it as well. Juicy flick. Juicy flick. Somewhat of a rewind. Tiny power loop. Not even easy, actually. Whoa, tree. Oh. There you go. That's how you get saved by latency, I guess. Like, I don't feel latency that much, but I'm pretty sure if I had like 10 milliseconds more than I have, that would be a crash. Pretty sure. Let's land and go for the next pack. Oh wow, I was pushing this really hard. 4 minutes 30 with flight time. When I'm cruising, this can go for 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, the antenna has seen better days. This is probably the reason why I have a little bit of shaking. But who cares? This is just for fun. We don't try to film a cinematic with it. We just fly it because it's fun to fly. So let's go. The dog likes it as well. But he knows that he has to be careful with the little ones, because I'm not as careful flying them around the dog. And I might land on him if he's not careful enough. Well, since the antenna is a little bit crooked, I won't go for a penetration test. We just turned the branch fairies for a little bit. I'm pretty sure there is a gap right through the tree here. Here, for example. Yeah. It's just fun to fly. Yeah. Hang time is great as well. And this is not even a very efficient build. I'm running it on 1S motors that have 11,000 kV. And I just use a throttle limit, a motor output limit to make the motors not overheat with all the power from the 2S. I saw someone build a thing here. Ooh, branch. Not sure if you... Ooh. This is a little bit dangerous. Yeah. Like, this is FPV, right? You should have fun with it. Not just performance and perfect video, non-shaky quads that are perfectly tuned. Like this one is running on Betaflight stock, which is probably not very great for a Toothpick, since the Betaflight stock is more tuned towards 5-inch freestyle builds that most people are flying. But here we are, flying it with a Toothpick. I don't even want it to fly like a 5-inch. I want it to fly like a little Toothpick with a lot of punch and good flight times. Oh! Oh, that was savable. Damn it. Maybe I can turtle it. That's not possible. Damn it. That's the second walk of shame. Ah. Yeah, there's a lot of wild boar activity here, as you can see. They dug up all the ground here. Let's go. The flight controller is getting hot. No more playing around. Give it some fresh air. Oh, that was pretty bad. Oh man. Yeah, we were fairly close to the ground, I guess. Not a big deal, since it's super light. It doesn't really care about a little crash like that. That's the Babytooth frame, by the way. So it's, I think, one of the lighter ones. I think there's one from AOS as well. We are nearing the end of the pack. Let's play around with the dog a little bit so that he gets some action as well. You see the look? He's thinking about it. He is thinking about it. He is thinking. We might land on you, my friend. One day I will land on the dog, but he's too cautious right now. He knows what's up. Maybe? No, yes, he knows what's up. Alright, that's it for today. A little bit of toothpick fun, because why not? See you next time.